In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete WhatsApp stickers. So if you have a lot of stickers in your WhatsApp and you want to remove some of them, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply open your WhatsApp app. Once your app is open, just click on any chat, and then you are going to see this sticker icon at the bottom left corner. If you do not see it, just click on the chat so that your keyboard will come up, and then you are going to see your sticker icon. So what you have to do now is click on this sticker icon and then go to the sticker section over here. So once you get here, you're going to see your favorite stickers. So all you have to do to delete any of them is just hold down on any of it, and you're going to see a section that says remove. So once you click on remove, confirm it, and then it's going to remove that sticker. Also, you can mark multiple sticker at the same time. You see a pencil icon, just click on that icon, and now you can mark multiple sticker and then delete them. Then another thing that you need to know is that if you are seeing these stickers in your most recent section, so let me take you guys there. This is the most recent section. So you can see some stickers will also be in the most recent section. So you can also delete them. You can see them at the top. You can remove any of them from your recent section. And also, if you want to mark multiple ones from your recent section and delete them, you can use this pencil icon as well. So that's how you can delete WhatsApp stickers. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys in my next video.